Alright, so here's my very first Hunter original ceiling fan that I ever bought. It's a Robbins and Myers original, to be exact. There's the tag on the top. And it's from the mid-80s. You know, these things are usually like $400 or $500, maybe $600, if I'm not mistaken. So this one was only $50, so I got it for a steal. So here we go. This thing just climbs right up to speed in no time. I remember Wildwood used to have a bunch of these at the casino arcade. Well, I don't know if they were R&M originals like this, but I think they were from the mid-80s. I think the Hunter originals in Wildwood, I believe those were from the mid-80s. I think some of them were. But wow, this thing just hauls ass when it's on high. I know Wildwood. I know the Hunter originals that were in Wildwood. A couple of them were... I know a couple of the Hunter originals in Wildwood. There were a couple China-made ones. They had some with 5 blades at the arcade. I'm not sure if this is the exact one they had. Most of them, well, about half of them were painted sky blue, as we all saw. And you know, I do remember there being brown ones. I don't know if they were the kind that had the switch house, or the switch on the top, but I don't know if they had the switch on the top, but yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get a startup sound here. In 3, 2, 1.